first this morning. We don't want to make Morris wait any longer. Good morning, everyone. Come here, boys. Come on, Morris. Here you go, buddy. You can always count on me to get out here with the food, some mornings slower than others. Hi, buddy. Good morning. Of course, I was out here at midnight visiting with him, too, so before bed, grab the bowls, make sure nobody's hungry, check on things. It's all good. Doesn't feel too bad out here right now, which is good because I'm fixing to mow the grass. Here's Marty. I'm sure he'll head up and try to take Morris's food here very soon. My arm is better today. It really is better. I mean, it's not gone, but it's better. Looking mighty comfy there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Don's got a couple of projects to work on today, so while I'm mowing, he'll be doing those things.
Yeah, I got just a couple things. Right now, I'm network problems.
Not honeydews, though, I might point out. We got a crack in our tub.
Yeah,
and Don's going to epoxy it, and we think maybe the little leak he's seen from time to time, but not consistently under the house, maybe it has to do with how we step in the tub.
Yeah, that crack. I didn't know the crack was there.
Well, I didn't really. I thought I might have felt something with my foot shift a time or two, and then this week it really became, hey, that might be something. Let's look deeper. And anyway, Don did that, so that's one of the things on his list. But I didn't add on any Marianne specific honeydews today. That's just saying. Yeah, the grass has gotten pretty tall, and the one kind of grass down there is weed or grass is putting out a lot of seed. And that might not be exactly a good thing, so I really need to get out there and address it. I can honestly say that I'm not looking forward to mowing the grass. Mostly I'm just worried about getting bit up by something and not happy that I'll have to put bug spray on because I despise bug spray. But anyway, it is what it is. Hey, Sweet Pea. Hi. Here you go. Hi. You doing good? Mom's got to go mow. I look forward to coming and sitting with you and resting this afternoon. I'm ready to rest right now. Good girl. Boy, am I stalling getting started on the lawn today. You can see, erosion of water coming down off this hill. It is what it is. I see this one new tree limb is down. Take that and put it on the pile up here. It's the neighbor's pile, but that's okay. They won't notice, trust me. I just wanted to see. This is a Japanese maple that we got for cheap. It's hard to see it. That we were trying to bonsai, but it was basically dying, so I stuck it in the ground over here, and I see it's got new leaves on it, so that's good. And I just kind of came over here to see how things were looking since I pulled the silk grass last week, and I would say things are looking great. Yeah, that Japanese maple is not a cultivar. It's not propagated. It's not. I'm stumbling on the right word. Anyway, you get the deal. It's just a red generic stock maple. It's not been grafted. It's not grafted. Anyway, I think next year I'm going to put some of this up there. When I have extras that I have to move, I'm going to put some up there. I mean, it's not the worst out here, but clearly it's time to mow. Oh, this is looking nice. I have really enjoyed the little watering can when we come and go and I have an opportunity to see it. Everything here is doing good. Even the little maples. Obviously this beauty berry that volunteered beneath the one up top has got to get cut away from the wall, but not today's problem. That's a good fall when it's cooler and I don't have the grass to mow job. Much, much better. I'm done with my stuff. I went out to the street too. Don's done with his stuff. And now we're going to load up the GMC with Johnny's stuff. The loading's going good. And I was going to say the one thing you can always count on with me and Don is we got the stuff lying around that we need to get the job done. In this case, a bunch of boxes from Chewy.
Yeah, but we're putting advertising on the inside. Unless they pay us money, we're not going to advertise.
Oh, that just happened that way. But we do go right past there.
That's right.
Well, the kids don't start school until Monday here, but fall has arrived, just so you know. I'm surprised it's this empty, but it's pretty empty out here. No clearance even. Yeah, never underestimate Americans' love of Halloween and all things candy. I'll call this my post mowing the lawn, loading up the GMC piece of meat.